Hi there, this is the all-new realme Narzo 100x and it's priced under 20,000. Now I've been testing this phone for about a week and I'd say it's an endurance champion with a mammoth 8000 mAh battery which would easily last you about 2 days or even 3 days if you're a light user. However, it does cut some corners which might matter to some and might not matter to some. Like the base variant of this phone starts with 4GB of RAM, which obviously won't have the best performance over time. I understand, the idea is to keep the price low, considering RAM prices have gone through the roof. But needless to say, pick the 6GB storage variant if you can shell some more extra bucks. Now, this might be a mixed bag for everyone. The front display is a 6.8-inch HD Plus LCD display. The resolution might not be the best, but the color reproduction and clarity are surprisingly impressive, vivid and bright. This HD Plus display is the reason this phone doesn't consume as much battery as a Full HD display would. It's a small trade-off if battery life is your priority. Also, Realme claims 1200 nits of peak brightness and it's very clear to use outdoors even on a bright sunny day. You don't see pixelation at all, especially when you're browsing on the phone or even watching movies and videos. Frankly, the video clarity is pretty good. Yes, the lower chin is slightly thick, but it soon disappears once you get used to it. When it comes to the audio, we get a single downfiring speaker that sounds good, but you'll miss that stereo sound experience. However, it does come with a 400% volume boost feature that makes it really loud. Good thing there's no distortion even at high volume. The power standby button on the side doubles as a fingerprint scanner and does an excellent job. It's snappy and responsive. Joke as much as you want, but aside, capacitive fingerprint scanners are more reliable, they're more faster, and this is so much more ergonomic in day-to-day use. So we're halfway through the review, but just to share what comes inside the box, 100x branding here. Then we have this box that includes the paperwork that no one reads. Then we have a transparent silicone case, quality though I must say is really good. The Narzo 100x phone, a SIM ejector pin, a USB-A to C charging cable, and a 45-watt charging brick. When it comes to built-in design, it feels like a tank. We have a popular flash orange color that's extremely eye-catchy, matte finish, and doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. It's 8.8mm thin and weighs about 224 grams. The good thing is, it doesn't feel heavy or bulky. On the top is a 50-megapixel primary sensor, volume rockers and power standby button on the side. At the bottom is a single downfiring speaker, USB-C port, microphone and a hybrid SIM tray that can house dual nano SIM cards or one nano SIM card and one micro SD card slot for storage expansion. It comes with IP65 rating, so mild splashes and sweat should be fine. But ideally, keep it far away from water as far as possible. Quick look at the camera samples. Well, they do a reasonably good job, especially in good lighting conditions. Images are crisp and clear. Video recording maxes out at Full HD 30fps on both front and rear cameras. Would have preferred to have 4K support at least on the rear camera, but sadly it doesn't. Then here are some camera shots taken from the front 8-megapixel sensor and they do a pretty decent job. Considering the price, they're nothing great but nothing to complain either. Hi there, so here's a video recording from the front camera of the Narzo 100x and this is a Full HD 30fps video recorded handheld. Overall the video quality is pretty decent. It's nothing great but it's not too bad either. Also the audio that you're hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of this phone. Let's talk about the OS and the user experience. Well, the first thing that instantly grabs your attention is the ultra smooth adaptive 144Hz refresh rate. It flows like silk, I would say. Realme has really optimized it very well. Check that out. Then as we dive into the settings, here you can see it's running Android 16 out of the box, which is pretty good. Plus, of course, it's also running the realme UI 7.0. Now, something that I'm sure most of you don't like is bloatware apps, and the Narzo 100 is infested with them. I mean, there are way too many. The thing is that you can delete the apps that you don't need. Click on uninstall and you can delete them. Yes, most of the apps that you don't need, you can remove. Apart from that, it's overall smooth sailing. Now, we do get a 45-watt charger in the box that charges the phone to 50% in about 33 minutes. Plus, you also get reverse charging support, so you can charge your earbuds or even another phone if the battery on that device is running low. Trust me, it comes very handy at times. Also, Realme claims there are high-density cells used here that are engineered to retain over 80% of its original capacity even after 4 years. Well, they really believe in long battery life. When it comes to performance, it's powered by the Dimensity 6300 chipset, which handles your basic day-to-day tasks like a breeze. Very smooth overall user experience. We ran the Antutu benchmark and it scored about 6,20,000. Storage type we get is UFS 2.2. We ran the speed test for that as well, and it got 554 MB read and 526 MB write. Alright, let's talk gaming. And what better way to test that than BGMI? Now, you instantly notice the game is extremely smooth, well optimized, and plays almost flawlessly. We didn't see any drop frames or lag. We got extra smooth and extreme in the graphics settings. By the way, it comes with 5300 square millimeter vapor chamber cooling system to prevent thermal throttling under heavy load. So if you're planning to buy a budget phone and still want to do casual gaming, you can definitely consider this one. Alright, final thoughts. So the Narzo 100x packs a huge battery that will last you for about 2 to 3 days. Performance and cameras are very dependable. I would say it's a very solid contender for a phone that's priced under 20,000. The Narzo 100x starts at 18,499 and goes all the way up to 22,999. Now these are prices with card offers. I'll share the links in the description. If you buy using our links, the price for you would be exactly the same, but it would definitely help us support the channel. So do consider. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.